Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday, 22nd of August. Looking at cable, which is basically just consolidating now. It's fairly well stuck between, well, the low at 2015 area, just a shade above the critical low of 119.80, and obviously 20 big figure. But every time it gets anywhere near 22 area of resistance, then it just drops back again. 2210 to 2250 have been highs in recent last couple of weeks. 2210 to 2250, but generally speaking, this is a range, isn't it? This is the hourly chart. It's not really doing anything really within that range. 21 figure, you could argue, is a basis of a pivot and a little bit of a gauge of sentiment, but it did come in this morning as a basis of support, just a shade above there before the market rallied again. But generally speaking, you'd say the fact that the hourly chart moving averages are just broadly flat, trading a little bit above those, so a slight positive bias within the range. And you could also argue in the last week or couple of weeks almost, there's a run of higher lows and higher highs, so there is a slightly positive bias to this range, but to be honest, it's all fairly well contained within the resistance. You've got the downtrend that comes in overhead, still quite a big gap up to 2290, but more tightly than that you've got the falling 21-day moving average, which paid to resistance in or to the rallies in July, and is a good gauge of sentiment as well, falling at 2150. So there is a sort of restriction that the bulls are up against, and I think it's just a consolidation really, until you know more about Brexit, and I think Brexit is going to be a big driver. You're likely to get some volatility tomorrow out of Jerome Powell. And how the market responds to that will be interesting, but generally speaking, this is still a Brexit outlook driven chart, and subsequently we're just settling a little bit for now, but ultimately I think Brexit is going to be a key driver here. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our videos on YouTube, but also go to our website where you can join up for our trading webinars. Thank you.